The ELSIS Data Observatory is a new, innovative online resource created to help leaders and managers respond to the challenging financial climate. By using the ELSIS Data Observatory, providers can plan provision, monitor key performance indicators, compare current KPIs to previous and projected KPIs, and compare their KPIs to those of other providers in the sector, a service that previously required the services of external consultants. This short presentation introduces the main features and benefits of using the resource. The first step when using the Data Observatory is to enter management information into the My Data section. We anticipate that the first time a management team uses the resource, they will wish to enter the most up-to-date information available, so they can review their current KPIs and compare these to KPIs from other providers. Having recorded one dataset, the provider may wish to experiment with alternative futures by entering modified data to try out what-if scenarios and to see what impact various decisions have on the KPIs. Each provider can store up to 99 different datasets, so there is plenty of opportunity for experimentation, as well as looking at trends and patterns. Once a dataset has been created, you can then view the key performance indicators. These KPIs are ratios and percentages that combine data from a single dataset into more informative values. The aim of the KPIs is to present values that are less dependent on, for example, the size of the provider, and instead reveal something about the way your organization is managed. An important facility is that you can select more than one dataset to consider. This feature allows you to consider trends in KPIs over, for example, a 3-year period, or to compare and contrast KPIs from 3 different what-if scenarios. The Scenario section of the resource introduces you to a range of opportunities to reduce costs and increase income. Each scenario is flexible, so you can modify it to make it more appropriate to your context. In order to consider each scenario in an informed way, you may input additional data and may also draw upon data you have previously entered into the My Data section. You can save scenarios for future review and refinement. At the end of each scenario, and on the basis of your evaluation, you will be encouraged to commit to taking some ideas forward from the scenario. In this way, we hope that the exercise will translate into tangible benefits for you and your organization. The Compare section allows you to compare your KPIs with KPIs of other providers in the sector in an anonymous way. Filters can be applied so you can choose to compare the KPIs of their organization to those of certain groups of providers or to all providers. Note that this facility is only available if you have shared your data for that year into the system. To ensure individual providers cannot be identified, comparative data is only made available once a minimum number of providers have made their data available into the system. The graphical display indicates the spread and the distribution of the KPIs of other providers. It also indicates the position of the KPIs of your organization relative to those of others. In this way, you can see quickly how your KPIs compare and where you might need to focus attention. The ELSIS Data Observatory is just one of a suite of resources and events provided by ELSIS to support effective resource utilization. For the latest information on resource utilization, visit www.elsis.org.uk.